How to become a Texas real estate sales agent. A sales agent is a person who is licensed by the Real Estate Commission to act as an agent on behalf of a real estate broker and their clients. You must first be a citizen of the United States or lawfully admitted alien, 18 years of age or older, meet TREC's qualifications for honesty, trustworthiness, and integrity. A sales agent must be sponsored by a licensed broker in order to perform any active real estate services. First, you must complete 180 classroom hours of the following qualifying real estate courses: Principles of Real Estate 1, Principles of Real Estate 2, Law of Agency, Law of Contracts, Promulgated Contract Forms, Real Estate Finance. Each course is worth 30 hours. Education course completion documents must be submitted to TREC after applying online. Once you complete your 180-hour pre-licensing course, you will file your application with TREC. You have 1 year from the date your application is filed to meet all license requirements. Do not file your application until you've completed your 180-hour pre-licensing course. Next, you will get your fingerprints taken and pass your background check. You are required by law to have fingerprints on file with the Texas Department of Public Safety, so a background check can be performed. Fingerprints on file for other agencies will not be accepted. A license will not be issued if a background check has not been passed. Expect a delay if you are notified of an investigation into your background history. Next, you will take the exam. License exams are administered by Pearson VUE, a testing service company. You will be sent a notice with instructions for scheduling the exam and obtaining a copy of the exam candidate handbook. Now you will need to find a sponsor. After meeting the requirements, you will be issued an inactive license. You need to be sponsored by an active Texas licensed broker to work. You can complete a sponsorship request using the TREC online services. Once the broker has accepted your request, your active license will be issued and you can work as a sales agent. Once you have met all the requirements to get your license, including finding a broker sponsorship, TREC will send an active sales agent license to your broker and to you via email. Here is a recap of the steps in getting your Texas real estate salesperson license. First, you're going to complete your 180-hour pre-licensing course. Then, you're going to file your application with TREC, get your fingerprints taken and pass your background check, take the exam, and find a broker to sponsor you. If you would like more information about our school, please visit our website at pioneerschoolofrealestate.com.